Hello everybody. Hey, today we're going to do a shock absorber replacement on a 1999 Ford E150 van. And let me show you what I did first. I'm going to go up under the vehicle. I lifted just this particular side, the left side of the vehicle. I put it on the jack stand, but I have it secured with the jack itself. So I got two places to kind of like pretty much ensure that it stays in place and that it's safe. You always want to be safe, and you always want to be careful. What I'm going to do, it's two parts to get out. I'm going to reach inside of here, which I've already done, and it was a 9/16 bolt, and I took that loose, so this is already coming out. And then I go up under the vehicle for the next one, and I'll show it to you. Now, here's the other part. There's the shock itself, and this I used, I think it's 3/4 inch, and I used it. I got it loose right now, so all I have to do is pull this bolt off and pull the shock forward, and it should come out. And then I'm going to replace it in reverse order. So I'm going to pause right here. Okay, as you can see, this came out. There you go. And then I'm gonna have to pull it. I'm gonna have to get it up. And it comes off like that, and then it comes out. It was that simple. Let me pause. So here we have the old shock and the new. And what I'm going to do, as you can see, this will go like this. And then I put a grommet on right here, because this we're going to put in at the top. We'll just fit it in, fit it through. And then once we get it through the hole, on top of that, when we'll have the part of the frame here, we'll put a grommet here, and then we'll put this on top of the grommet, and then we'll bolt it on with the 9/16. So I'll have that for you in a minute. Now this is where the bottom shock is going to go. The bottom part of it will go right on here. But if we look straight up, we can see a hole. That's what we're going to thread it through. We're going to thread it through this hole right here. And then we'll connect the bottom part of the shock right here and put it in place, bolt it on, and then we'll bolt it from the top as we took it off. So let's see if we can do that. Straight up. And in fact, as far as going straight up, yeah, there we go. I got that in. Then I push it up. Push it up in order to put this on. We go up. Put that on like that, and we'll just jiggle with it. I'm gonna need two hands to do it, so hold on a minute. Okay, I got this in place, and I'll just put this on like that, and then I'll go up to the top and put the other one on, and I'll tighten both of them. Okay, here we are at the top. First my grommet goes on, and I'll put that on. Just reach in and do that, and then it goes right here. And there's my grommet. Then this goes on top of the grommet. You can hear that. Next, my 9/16 bolt on top, and then I'll begin to tighten it. And when I get it real nice and tight, then I'll tighten the one on the bottom. Okay, so I got everything in place. I tighten this one, and then all the way up on top, I tighten the one on top of this one. So now we're good to go. We got the new shock installed. Hey, look, thanks for joining me. And be safe working on your vehicles.